Treat your dog to this homemade turkey meatloaf. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and gather your ingredients. First, we're going to chop 1 stalk of celery, 1 red bell pepper, and grate 1 large carrot. You can use a large grater like I'm using here, or a fine grater also works too. John decided not to help with the making because he knows this recipe takes a while to bake, but that didn't stop him from side-eyeing me for a little bite of red pepper as he lounged in his bed. We're going to add the veggies to a bowl and then set that aside. In a large mixing bowl, add in 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 pound of ground beef, 2 large eggs, and half a cup of rolled oats, plus the veggies. Mix this up using a spatula to combine everything completely. John smells the meat, but he knows it's not cooked yet, so this smart little puggy decided to stay put while it bakes. Then we're going to transfer to a 1 pound loaf pan that's lined with parchment paper and press the meatloaf into the pan. Bake at 350 degrees for about 50 to 60 minutes or until the internal temperature is 165 degrees. Once John smelled the meatloaf come out of the oven, he came running back in for a bite. We love to serve this homemade turkey meatloaf with mashed sweet potatoes because that's John's favorite healthy carb. But if your dog prefers rice, that also works too. We know your dog will love this fresh, homemade dog food as much as John does. If you want more homemade dog food recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us next time in the kitchen.